Alright team, mastering local data programming is just the start. When you need official manufacturer files, that's when online programming takes over. The core steps are the same, it's the source that changes. Step 1 remains critical: connect the ECU, launch X5, and verify stable voltage. The key difference with online programming is version matching. First, enter diagnostics and read the ECU identification. For example, this Cummins ECU uses code FG80001 to find the right file, but requirements vary. A Wi-Fi ECU might need an order number instead. This knowledge comes with experience. We'll demo other ECUs later. Now, back to the programming interface. Critical reminder: always back up the original data first. Then, click Program Online Data, search using your ECM code. Remember, higher last two digits mean a newer version. Let's see it live. We'll use a Cummins CM2880 control unit for this demonstration. Take the diagnostic main cable and connect one end to the tool. Lock the connector. Then, take out the 4-in-1 programming cable and attach the K-plug. If bench mode is required, also attach the A-plug. Find the corresponding adapter. Head on the 4-in-1 cable and connect it to the main cable's OBD interface. Finally, connect the bench power supply. It can be connected to either the main cable or the box. For bench mode, it must be connected to the box. The hardware connection is now complete. Access the X5 software. Click Advanced Functions, then select OBD Flash. Choose Cummins Engine. First, let's check the version information. Click Diagnostic Functions, then Read Identification Information, and click Read. Important for programming, you must note down the ECM ID and ECM code. Click Back, select the corresponding model, and a wiring diagram will pop up. Click Start Writing. Click Write the online file, and select the new mode. Use the ECM code to select the version you want to program. The last two digits indicate the software version. A higher number means a newer version. You can choose